And these are again the same thing, the chordae tendineae attaching to the papillary muscle. Okay? And what is this valve called here?
Bicuspid.
Bicuspid. And here you have the
Tricuspid.
Well, you should know the function of it, obviously, right? Okay. And then, so this is the hard one. This is called what? These two.
Pulmonary trunk.
No, this is the aorta.
Oh.
These two branches, they're the branches of the aorta. Okay, because if you put it in, it's going all the way to the left ventricle.
What?
Okay? And then, so that's the aorta. And what is this? It's going into the right ventricle. Pulmonary artery. Okay? And here you have the inferior and superior vena cava, which are right next to each other. Okay? So that's the inferior, that's the superior, and right next to it, which you can't see here, but that's here. These two, the inferior and superior vena cava. Okay? And then here, we did the aorta. This is the pulmonary vein. Okay?
2 points.
So you guys got all the veins and arteries? Pulmonary vein, this little thing that's branching off into two things, that's the aorta. Okay? Right next to it, you have the pulmonary artery, which is going from the right ventricle. Okay? And here, this is the pulmonary vein. Okay? That's the aorta, that's the pulmonary vein. And here is the superior and inferior vena cava. That's it, right? Those are the different vessels you have to know. Okay. And the interventricular septum, the right and left ventricle. What is this smooth, this spongy-like thing that you see here is called what?
Trabeculae.
Carne.
Carne.
Okay, trabeculae carne. And chordae tendineae, trabeculae carne. What else is there?
Myocardium.
Oh yeah. So this is called.
Myocardium.
This is the endocardium is on the inside. Epi is on the outside. Inner in the middle. It's the myocardium. Okay. Semilunar valves, you can't see it, but those are the valves that's going from the pulmonary artery and the pulmonary vein. And the aorta. Sorry, pulmonary artery. And here, connecting the right to the left, you would have the foramen ovale, right and left atrium.
But would they ask that on the?
Probably not, but just know it in case.
Can you see it? That's the foramen.
Oh, the depression?
Where are the pectinate muscles?
Pectinate muscle are in both the
atria.
but you can't see it here. But just know that pectinate is in the atrium, papillary muscles in the ventricles.
Sorry. And the trabeculae carne are only in the ventricles too?
Right. Both the ventricles, you have trabeculae carne. Yeah. So, and these are the two auricles, the right and left. Okay? So in the exam, it would just be pointing to this. You can move this thing around, but you can't remove it. All you can do is move it to see if it's going. But just know, look, these two are the aorta, the pulmonary artery, the pulmonary vein, and the inferior and superior vena cava.
What if we have a deformed heart?
You'd get one of these that I'm showing you guys. You'd get one of these.
Okay.
Because this is, according to them, the good demos. Or they could just do another dissected heart, but I don't think they'll do that.
Can you just do that one more time, please?
Which?
Please just the top.
Okay. These two are the aorta. This is the aorta branching off. And right next to it, you have the pulmonary artery. And that goes into the right ventricle, from the right ventricle to the lungs. And here you have the superior and inferior vena cava. superior and inferior. And then this is the pulmonary vein. Okay, that's it. And these are the two auricles. The atrium and the ventricles, interventricular septum. The coronary sinus would be here. But I don't think it's not in the list, right?
No.
Unless I don't know it. Okay, that's it.